Molweni bhotani dumela ngithobela sanibonani absheng lochani and macherone or madekwane camaku makhosi thokoza lisedi rhanya. How are you good people? Zimbombozone zomhlaba, all four corners of the world, I greet you with peace and love. It's your mama Nonkwenkwezi, zidwesha nezidweshakazi. Hlala nami ndihlale nani, ningashenxe, ningadedi, ningandishiyi nangomnye umzuzu ngoba andiyonto ngaphandle kwakho. Guys, protocol. Please continue liking the videos, but sharing the videos is more effective. Ne? It helps it helps me, helps the channel grow. Also, please do not skip watching the ads. Please don't skip the ads because they pay my bills, guys. They pay me so that I enjoy doing what I'm doing, sharing with you guys or for you. Then my English goes again, but we'll try. We'll hang in there. Guys, it's been how many days? I think 5 or 6 days of absence. And I suspect the next few days are also going to be hectic. So if I can, let me drop something. What I want us to talk about right now, I want us to talk about luck, your natural luck or blessings, manifestations, whatever you want to call it. Intlahla, you know, intlahla yakho ozalwa nayo. You understand how do you activate your natural luck? You understand? And why does it, why does it go away sometimes? You understand? Why is it not always there? If you are born with luck, why is it not always with you? You get me? That's what I want us to talk about today. And I want to, I'm coming with this because I realize, we get confused and we end up, associating ourselves with people thinking they are going to help us when they are not going to help us. Instead, they will make things worse for us. What I want us to realize is that your natural luck is something that you are born with. But it can sometimes be deactivated, you understand, because of a situation you are in, because of challenges in your life, because of we live in a world that is black or white, you understand. There's evil, there's good. Sometimes sometimes you are caught in between good and evil, you understand. There's light, there's darkness. Sometimes you are caught in between, and sometimes your luck can go away with darkness. Now, we need to be aware of that, so that you are aware that sometimes you have to work hard. You understand? It should not be a given that, okay, I'll just sit and wait for my luck to come back. You understand? Sometimes you have to work to make sure that intlahla yakho iyabuya. Sometimes it's not even what you are being targeted. You understand? Sometimes you are in the wrong place, wrong time. You understand? You step onto something that was not meant for you, and your luck changes for the worst. Everything goes south. You get me? Or sometimes it's the sins of your forefathers. You understand? No one has taken care of that, and as such, your luck as a family is deactivated. You get me? And we need to also realize that our luck is given to us in drips and drabs. Sometimes it is according to whether you live your life, according to your spiritual purpose. Are you living a spiritually purposeful life, or are you just breathing? You know, you understand? Because I believe with me, when you are living a purposeful life, a spiritually purposeful life, according to spiritual purpose, the reason you are here in the first place, of course, it's inner ether. The universe gives. You understand? When you give to the universe gives back to you what is due to you, which is your luck, your natural luck, which you sometimes call blessings, you know. Hence, people will say, you are manifesting your blessings. It is because you yourself are doing your part. You understand? Now, we'll wonder and ask, who is the universe? You understand? I want to say that the universe are your very own spiritual guides, your ancestors, your angels, whatever you want to call them, izinyanya, izihlwele, amadlozi, whatever you want to call them. Labo bona labo. They are your universe. So when we talk of the universe, we understand. Universe, I go pilisilungu. You understand? Because when we start throwing around these words, the universe and blessings, manifestations, vibrations, and all of that, we start thinking, people that live a Western life. You understand? Western kind of life. Are the ones that will manifest blessings. We tend to associate the concept of, the universe, Mother Nature, with the West, which it is not. Africans have always understood that Mother Nature is actually the source. The source is your ancestors, your spiritual guides, ancestral spirits, whatever you want to call them. Your messenger is thunywa sakho, the one that is, what is the right word? But the one that is safeguarding your luck, your blessings. When ancestral spirits want to give to you, you understand? They can't come all of them at once. There is a messenger for each person. Each one of us have a messenger that gets sent to us. Now, when that messenger themselves, I've said this so many times before, but I think I want to, keep on emphasizing it. Isithunywa sakho mangabe sikude kunawe, inhlahla yakho ikude nayo kunawe. Ukufane uyofutha, uthini, ugabhe, uhlanjwe, uvaswe, uthweni. You understand? We must understand ukuthi ngobani ababantu sihamba nabo. Bahlambulukile na? You understand? Umuntu othi uyogeza wena or uyokuvasa, uvasa ntoni? You need to understand intoni lento ivaswayo, because sometimes kufuneka kuvaswe le mimoya uhamba nayo ihlambuluke izokwazi uthumeka lula. Your very own messengers, sometimes they need to be cleansed bona, so that bezokwazi usabela xa bethunywa, bezoyazi nendlela eza kuwe. So umuntu othetha into angayaziyo athi udinga ukuvaswa wena unesichitho. Sisichitho sizanjani? Esisichitho siza ngomuntu, abantu benza izinto zasebusuku, okanye sisichitho esiza ngomoya wabantu abadala ongahlambulukanga. Idlozi elidlozomelayo. Ingaba kukho idlozi elidinga ukugezwa la kuwe, okanye amaXhosa kukho umoya ofuna ukuhlanjululwa pha kuwe na? you know, buza, you must ask. Ungavele nje ubone ngenkukhu seyibekwe enhloko yakho, you don't know ba kwenzeka ntoni. Because guys, I feel indoba sihamba singena kwezindumba ngezindumba sihambe sithatha imimoya siya you understand, siyazithwalisa imithwalo ngokwethu because as understand siyazi nalento yenziwayo. Fumanisa ba kwalo yenzayo akayazi qha wayibona isenziwa, akayazi noba kwenziwa yenzwa xa kutheni. Yazi qha bayinenkukhu phakathi. Zisike bewesa izinto kunakuqala. Buza. Athi umuntu hayi sigeza idlozi. Eliphi leli dlozi? Cacelwa man. Cacelwa mawukhanyelwe. Ithi usenza into ube ukhanyelwe into bayintoni lento yenziwayo kuwe. Ifana noqatshulwa, you know, getting incisions on your skin and getting muthi put into your skin. You understand? Bathi bayakuqinisa. Uqiniswa ubuke wagezwa kuqala, usowucociwe kuqala kwasuswa lokho ebekukhungethe and then ke ngoku usuyaqiniswa. Ungavumi nje wena uhleli nje uyaqiniswa, uhleli nje uyaqiniswa, uhleli nje uyaqiniswa, ufakwa umuthi njalo. Imagine sizinyanga ngenyanga ne ingcabo zethu sifaka izilwane ngezilwane. Sometimes kukho nabantu abangasekhoyo kwimithi esiyisebenzisayo. Yayiva siyasebenza ngomhlehlo womuntu pha emoshwari. Uniphathela amanzi esidumbu apho wena. And this is not even a joke. Qha kubithethwa ndimi ngangathi ijoke ne. Amanzi esidumbu, umhlehlo womlungu, zonke ezonto ezo zizinto ezisetshenziswayo. So guys, masingavumi uhambe si. You understand? Phathwa ngumuntu mani noko omthembileyo. We understand? Bona imisebenzi yakhe. We understand? But eyona nhlanhla inkulu mina, to be honest with you, kukusebenza ubuhlwele bakho. Kukulungisa amatyala sekhaya. Intlahla yakho leyo. Because ngokwenza kwakho nabo bazawubuyisa okuthile. It's give and take, give and take. Ndikhulule nami ndizakukhulula. Izandla ziyagezana. Ne? Of course ke ngokube khona amayeza ndingathi akukhanyisayo. You understand? Ukufutha oku, I've said before, futha gabha clean man. You understand? Wawugqiba ke ngufumana izinto zenhlahla. But ayikho inhlahla egqitha le yabantu bakokwenu. Even nokwagezwa njengoba uzawufutha ugabha usenza yonke lanto la nquleqhu yenziwayo, eyona nhlahla uzayifumana yile ubuhlela ubekelwe yona kakade, akho nto intsha izayo, yile iyindalo yakho. Into kunayo ikude kunayo uxela ithamsa because kaloku unobu bumdaka. You understand? Nobu bumnyama bubangela bisithunywa sakho singakwazi ufikelela kuwo. Iyavakala ityiwe emnqushweni. Isithunywa sakho masikwazi khanya for into bisithunywa sakho singalahleka endleleni ezakuwe man. Masicama gusheni. People, that's it for now. See you on the flip side. Bye.